Morning, everyone. My name is Dr. Lynnete Pagatpatan. Welcome to Supremacy International Product Presentation. This is exclusive for successful Supremo presentation. Again, so welcome. So I'm a medical doctor by profession. I'm also a marketing specialist and a product specialist for Supremacy International. So welcome. So let's start our presentation. So let's talk about the company first. Our company is, welcome again, our company is Supremacy International. We were established, we're a 100% Filipino-owned company established in July 6, 2019. Our president is Mr. Christian Aaron Mullies, CEO and president. For legalities, we are registered under Securities and Exchange as Supremacy International Corporation, and also we are registered. We have the permit to operate from the office of the mayor in Quezon City. We also have our BIA registration, and we have our license to operate as food trader and as a cosmetics retailer from the Food and Drug Administration. The company's vision is to be recognized globally as an exceptional company by delivering quality and effective products. And because of this vision, we were awarded by QH as one of the best lifestyle products innovative network marketing company this 2021. And receiving our award is our Vice President in Operations, Ms. Natsumi Hiratsuka. Now, let me introduce to you our products. Our products are basically focused on health and beauty. And we do have our perfume line, our skincare line, skincare line, as well as our Supreme Fit coffee under our health line. Okay. Health beverages. Okay, healthy. So I would like to introduce to you our perfume line. It is would mean I in Japanese. I means love in Japanese and in Chinese. So our perfume line, I Sense. It's an Udu perfume. We have 10 variants for female, and then we have 10 variants for male. So when you say Udu perfume, so it would mean oil concentration. So this is the oil concentration fragrance guide to determine how long the perfume will last, the scent will last. Now, for Udu perfume, which I Scent is classified under, it has 15 to 25% oil-based content. So for I Sense, we do have 23 to 25. So we have the highest rate, highest concentration of oil in our perfume, meaning it is of good quality. And for Udu Toilet, it is between 5 to 15%. And for Udu Cologne, it's 2 to 4%. So our perfume, Udu perfume, I Sense will last up to 10 hours. For Udu Toilet, it will last for 6 hours. For Udu Cologne, it will last for 2 hours. Ayan. 2 to 4 hours. Okay. Just like music, perfumes also have scents, to create a harmony of scents. And perfume also have a harmony of scents. Okay. So there are three notes: the top notes, heart notes, and base notes. For the top notes, this is the one that plays a role in setting the first impression. No, it is the first scent that you will smell, coming from the perfume. So its main purpose is to give off an initial scent. No, it will last. Kaya siya yung una din. It is also the lightest molecule in the perfume. That's why it is easily dissipated. So it will last only between 5 to 15%. And it evaporates quickly. It evaporates quickly. Now for our heart notes, ito talaga yung puso. No? This is where ito yung 70% of the scent comes from. No? It is ang purpose naman ng ating heart notes or mid notes, or middle notes, is to introduce also, or to blend with the base notes, kasi ang base note is so strong to buffer the strong scent of the base notes, and they are basically the truest nature of the perfume. No, it will last 20 to 60 minutes, or as long as the base notes, which will last 8 up to 10 hours. Okay. Now, for our base notes naman, the base note supports the lighter notes and have the strongest lasting scent. It will last greater than 6 hours. So kaya sabi ko up to 10 hours depending on the concentration. Now for our eye scents, it has a 23 to 25% concentration. It will last 10 hours. Okay, so it is usually composed of vanilla, amber, musk, patchouli, sandalwood, and cedarwood. Now for ours po sa eye scents, we have the ambergris. No, it is coming from the vomit of the whales or suka ng balyena. So dito po talaga, it is the most expensive also of the oil, no, na in the market. Which usually sa atin naman, sa ating perfume, it is sourced from Switzerland. Okay? Sabi nga dito, it is the foundation of the fragrance. So these notes are very rich, heavy, absorbed by the skin, making the scent last longer. Kasi oil siya, so dun talaga siya na-absorb siya sa skin. So hindi siya basta na nag-evaporate tulad ng ating top note. So sabi nga ni Michael Edwards, we have 4 families of perfume. We have the floral, the oriental, the woody, and the fresh. So let's discuss each one of them. No? For floral, ito yung pinaka-popular among women. It is sweet and flowery. So coming from the name itself, floral, it's basically more of flowers, no? Coming from fresh cut flowers, ayan, powdery notes, orange blossoms, and yun ang kanyang composition ng ating floral scent. So created with rose, jasmine, okay, wait lang. Rose, jasmine, and lilies. Ayan. Now, for our fresh notes naman, this is the uplifting smell. It's mostly comprises of citrus, water, and green notes. Ito talaga, ito naman, paborito ko na personal choice ko or favorite is the fresh. It's the fresh scent, ano? Created with lemon, mandarin, bergamot, aquatic notes as of sea spray, no? Parang dagat, no? Ma-remind ka ng dagat, no? Uplifting. Now for the naman, the third is oriental, coming from the name itself. It's mostly comprises of sweet, no, spicy, rich, and sensual and warm. Composes common scent in aftershave, created with cardamom, cinnamon, vanilla, together with jasmine and orange blossom naman siya. Okay, now for woody scent, ito naman yung popular, if the story is popular among female, ito naman ang wood popular scent aftershave, okay? So sabi din naman ng mga males, mas prefer din nila ang scent ng female is to be floral. Yung maramang iba, they don't like the fresh smell, the fresh scent naman family kasi parang the scent that you find usually in common sa household na mga spray, ganon. So sometimes depende po sa choices. So tanong nyo na lang yung kliyente nyo what they prefer. So these are the guides that you can ask your clients, so you can guide them to doon naman sa ating 10 variants, no, of 20 variants of scents naman, 10 for female and 10 for men. So ito po yung ating mga variants. So these are the scents that we have. Now for male, usually common naman sa ating male, sa 10 scents, there are 4 na woody. We have 4 din na fresh and then 1 oriental. So for our woody scents, we have the Aventus Creed. We have the Creed na inspired by Aventus Creed. We have the Boss, the Blue, Rio, and Red. 5 pala for our woody, no. These are the woody scents naman, no. Woody under the family of woody scents. Itong 5 ating perfume. This is inspired by Aventus Creed for Creed, Hugo Boss for Boss, Polo Blue for Blue, Giorgio Armani for Rio, and Lacoste Red for Red. And for our fresh naman, we have white, inspired by Lacoste White, Bulgari Aqua, which is Aqua, and Envy, inspired by Invictus Paco Rabanne, and Happy for Clinique Happy. And for Oriental naman, we have our Easy, which is Easy Me, and inspired by Easy Miyake. So you can guide na lang your client kasi some clients naman, sabi nga naman nila, pag woody din, it's more of for night time. But for most males naman, mas prefer talaga nila ang kasi iba talaga intense yung smell, parang masculine pag woody scent, na orient na siya to being a muscular scent ang woody na na family, no, na of scents. Now, for women naman, for most naman sa atin, we have siguro out of the 10, we have 6 or 7 pala, 7 under the floral family scents, no? So we have Shine, and inspired by Encanto Shine. We have Light is, by the way, Light and Shine pala, the first two Light and Shines are under the fresh scent, no? So we have, these are inspired by Encanto Shine, yung ating Light is inspired by Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue. And then for Crystal, it is also, ang Crystal is also sa may floral and may pagka-fresh scent ang ating Crystal, okay? And for the rest, we have Gaga, inspired by Lady Gaga. Clay, inspired by Lavan Eclat. And we have the floral, we have the Paris inspired by Paris Hilton, Jo Malone Velvet for Joy, Chini Chu for Chu, and then Jo for Jo Malone Fresha, and we also have the Autumn. This is more of, kasi this is more of vanilla, so it's more of oriental naman ang ating yung ating Autumn. So na-change po to, it-change po to. Alam ko yung Jo Malone nating it's no longer Jo Malone Fresh atin, they change it also. So we will na lang natin kung ano yon. Pero these are the basic scents that we have, no? So sabi nga natin, to leave a lasting impression, we should leave a lasting scent, ano? So dito talaga, 10 hours of eye scents, okay? So saan pa natin, for our, where to apply your perfume, no? Para to make it last longer, no? So sabi nga so kung saan yung may pressure points. Kasi bakit dun sa may pressure points? Kasi sa may pressure points, nandun po yung mga blood vessels na malapit sa skin. So, di ba, sabi nga natin, the oil is, ito yung base notes natin, which is composed of the oil, ito yung nag-absorb sa skin and will leave off a lasting smell, di ba? So, ito naman yung ating, kasi as the, di ba, ang blood vessel natin, as they, beat, no, with the heart, nagproproduce sila ng warmth. So habang nagproproduce sila ng warmth, dun po nag-evaporate yung ating oil o yung ating scents, no? So kaya mag-i-emit siya more in those areas. So saan po yon? So number one, sabi nga nila, although our hair doesn't have talaga, it's not related to, no, wala naman talaga, it's a dead skin cell. Pero dahil sa scalp kasi it's rich in blood vessels, so kaya minsan ni-recommend nila that you spray on your hair also. And then also behind the ear, and then also on the collarbone, and inside the elbow, near the belly button, also behind the wrist, and behind the knee, and in the ankle. So those are the areas where you have your pressure points. So saan mo dun mo ilalagay. At para hindi mag-last longer din, wag mo i-rub. So just dab on your skin, para kasi if you rub daw, the fresh scents will evaporate faster. So better dab and not rub. Okay. Again, so these are our endorsers of our perfume. Ayan. These are people who are using our perfume. So if you have your personal, marami namang personal testimonies dito sa ating perfume. Number one, yung ating mga Grab drivers, yung ating mga other but delivery, no, yung ating delivery drivers, no, na members also of SI, they attest na it will last talaga more than 8 hours, na even if they travel the whole day under the heat of the sun, the scent still remains with them. And then even meron namang iba, they say that even after washing daw, because they spray it on their clothes, even after washing, the scent still remain after laundry. Okay, so that's how intense our perfume is. Okay, now for our skincare line, let me introduce to you our skincare line. But prior to that, may konting trivia about the skin. So, ang skin is actually is the largest organ of the body. It's the first defense against infection and germs, and generates every 27 days. So we have to take care of our skin, and by doing that, that's why we have our skincare line. So how do we take care of our skin? So number one, thorough cleansing twice a day. You have to use a gentle soap for cleansing, and you should do moisturize and use sunscreen and take a balanced nutrition. So how do we do that? No, how is this related to our products? So number one, kasi we do have products that are gentle to the skin, na may cleansing properties, may moisturizing effect din, and may sunscreen. Ayan, to help our skin be healthy and glowing, no? And as well as radiant, okay? So it regenerates every 27 days. So we really have to clean our skin every day para matanggal po yung dead skin cells. So para po ma-reveal po yung ating youthful skin, okay? So for introducing our skincare line, we have our Supreme Radiance, our whitening series or brightening series, and of course our Supreme Glow Collagen Pro Youth series, but its name is for line. Okay. So for our Supreme Radiance or brightening series, we do have lotion, toner, as well as our sunscreen, day cream with sunscreen of 50 SPF, and our Supreme Radiance soap. For our Supreme Radiance, ayan, it is formulated in Japan, but it is made in the Philippines. Supreme Radiance Brightening Set moisturizes and illuminates all skin type. It gently reduces dark spots and skin discoloration, leaving your skin supple, smooth, and bright. Okay? So ano ba yung ingredients natin Supreme Radiance? So let's start with our soap. No? Our soap kasi it's a dual-acting whitening soap. It does have 3 active ingredients. We have the kojic extract for whitening as well as papaya extract. And of course, we have aloe vera, which is our moisturizing, and also a sunscreen effect. No? So let's discuss each ingredient. No? Ano yung benefit ng each ingredient? So number 1, ayan. And before we go through that, we also have our Supreme. Let's introduce our Supreme Glow Collagen Pro Youth series. Ayan. Doon naman, it's infused with potent anti-aging ingredients naman. Our Supreme Glow Collagen Pro Youth series has been formulated to revitalize and regenerate the skin by reducing the fine look of fine lines and wrinkles for a youthful and ageless beauty. Ayan. Sa mga gustong bumabata, I'm using it for now, and I really noticed talaga how it has improved my skin. No? So I'm 56 years old, pero medyo nag-ano yung skin ko dahil sa production ng collagen, medyo nagiging supple na siya, no? Mas nagiging youthful ang aking, na-reduce din yung fine lines sa aking forehead. Okay? Ayan. So our Collagen Pro Youth series also has a serum. We have our day and night cream, and of course we also have our Supreme Glow soap as well as a toner. Okay. So first, let's go to our Supreme Radiance series. For the brightening series, the active ingredients naman is Glycyrrhiza glabra extract or licorice extract. We have the niacinamide or vitamin B3, aloe vera or aloe barbadensis extract. We have our kaolin clay. We have a glycerin, titanium dioxide. These are the active ingredients of as well as for the soap, no? Meron din tayo siyang kojic and papaya extract. So pabalik na tayo dun sa ating Supreme Radiance soap. Okay, so for the kojic extract, ang benefit naman niya is to lighten skin by blocking the production of melanin. So melanin is a natural skin pigment that we have. So sa ating mga Filipino, kaya kayo manggita because we produce more melanin, no, than our European or our Westerner counterpart. It lightens scars, melasma, and age spots. So may antifungal activity din siya that may help in treating and preventing skin fungal infection like athlete's foot. An antibacterial activity may help prevent and treat acne and other bacterial skin infection. Ayan. So kung may sugat ka, pwede mo na rin gamitin yung ating Supreme Radiance brightening soap. Ayan. So alam naman natin na every Filipino naman kasi being fairer is also really correlated with for beauty naman. Pag sabi nila pag maputi ka, mas maganda ka. Kaya maraming Pilipino po talaga nagpapaputi. And this is one way, this is a better way also of using our product kasi less yung peeling effect ng ating products because of the ingredients that we're using. Okay? Second ingredients of our soap is the papaya extract. So contains the enzyme papain. Yung enzyme papain helps control acne by removing dead skin cells. So tinatanggal na yung dead skin cell na nare-regenerate every 27 days. So ito naman yung nagkukos ng yung mga dead skin cell. Ito sila yung nagkukos ng ating acne kasi sila yung nagkaklag ng pores. At ito din ang papain also reduces inflammation. So nawawala yung pamamaga ng ating tigyawat. Okay, now, so anti-aging din kasi it also helps in the production of collagen. At it helps also reduce wrinkles. Prevents dry skin and heals wounds. So meron din siyang healing property, yung ating papain. Moisturizing effect kasi it helps prevent dry skin. Rich in antioxidants like lycopene, beta-carotene, and also rich in vitamin A and C, which are good for the skin. Okay, now for the last ingredients of our soap, it is the aloe vera extract. Its benefit naman, it helps soothe sunburn, no? Especially if you have sunburn, kasi ang effect niya talaga is for healing property. May cooling effect siya for sunburn and anti-inflammatory effect. And again, it moisturizes the skin and boosts healing of wounds and burns. Sabi ko nga, it helps with the healing of wounds and burns yung ating aloe vera. And speed up skin cell regeneration. So pinapabilis kung 27, siguro mas mabilis pa sa 27 days. Kaya para mas mabilis na gumaling yung ating mga sugat at yung ating mga pasok. Natural sunscreen, it forms a protective barrier and anti-aging property by increasing the production of collagen. So rich in antioxidant, vitamin A and C and beta-carotene, which are good for the skin also. And antibacterial activity for acne control and other skin infection. So our aloe vera can also be found in our toner. Aside from the soap, it can be found in our toner and our Supreme Radiance Day Cream, with sunscreen. Okay. And also in our, under sa Pro Youth series natin na Supreme Glow, it is also found in our serum as well. And also in our cream, in our day and night cream, yung ating Supreme Glow Day and Night Cream. Now, other ingredients, yung ating namang licorice extract or ating Glycyrrhiza glabra extract, ito naman is found, ito yung talagang brighten, this is the one that brightens the skin, yung ating licorice extracts. It can be found in all of our line, sa ating Supreme Radiance except for the soap, So it's found in our lotion, in our toner, and in our cream. So anong benefit ng licorice extract? Number one, it brightens and lightens skin by blocking the production of melanin. Hindi lang siya basta nagbablock ng production of melanin. It also contains liquortine that removes excess melanin. So ito talaga nagpapabrighten ng ating skin kasi nagpapaputi pa siya. Hindi lang siya nagbablock ng melanin, tinatanggal pa niya ang excess melanin sa ating balat. Okay? Acts as a potent antioxidant. Contains flavonoid that prevents skin aging and skin discoloration caused by oxygen-free radicals. Ito yung effect ng antioxidant kasi yung oxygen-free radicals can do damage to our skin as well as to other organs by overexposure, like in the sun. It causes it can cause or lead to skin cancer if overexposure to the sun. Kaya the licorice helps prevent helps prevent the skin discoloration caused by oxygen-free radicals. Anti-inflammatory activity, it contains glycocalcone A that stops inflammation, may helps controls oil production in the skin. So ang ibig sabihin nun, so hindi tayo nawawala yung hindi tayo nagmamantika yung ating mukha. Okay? So and second naman is niacinamide or vitamin B3. So ito naman is found in our Supreme Radiance lotion, toner, and cream, as well as also in, ang benefit naman niya is, it moisturizes the skin by creating ceramide lipid skin barrier. So nakakreate siya ng additional lipid layer sa ating skin to keep it moisturized. Prevents skin infection by building a keratin layer. This is a structural protein that keeps the skin firm and minimize pore appearance. So gusto mo naman ng balat na parang mga Korean, na less ang skin pore appearance. So gamitin natin yung ating Supreme Radiance Brightening Series. Yan. Lightens skin and helps in the treatment of hyperpigmentation. Regulates also skin oil. So kapag ginamit mo talaga, mawawala yung oiliness sa skin mo. Anti-inflammatory activity. Helps treat acne by reducing inflammation and redness reduce redness, inflammatory skin diseases like eczema, and minimize wrinkles by increased production of collagen, antioxidant protection, protect skin from skin damage. Ayan, it can also be found, naman can also be found in our toner naman, yung ating serum naman ng collagen, Supreme Glow Collagen Series. Now, dito naman sa ating other ingredient naman is kaolin clay, which can be found also in a lotion or Supreme Radiance na cream, day cream. Ang benefit naman ng ating kaolin, it absorbs oil from the skin. So talagang hindi ka talaga mag-oil talaga. Its mineral content helps absorb toxin, dirt, and other contaminants in the skin. It's a mild exfoliating and cleansing activity. May anti-inflammatory activity, reduce fine lines and wrinkles by increasing collagen production. So yung ating kaolin clay. And for then it can also be found in our Supreme Glow cream, day and night cream. Okay. Next would be our glycerin. Ito naman is a humectant naman tong glycerin. A humectant is a type of moisturizing agent that pulls water into the outer layer of the skin. Talagang parang ma-hydrate yung skin natin. So ina-absorb na, hindi instead nag-absorb siya ng water, pinapalabas niya yung water sa skin natin para hindi ma-moisture yung ating outer layer of the skin. And kung hindi siya makaka-pull out ng water from the inside of the skin, pati sa air po, ina-absorb po niya yung water from the air para po ma-moisturize yung ating skin. It can be found in our lotion or Supreme Radiance Day and Day Cream. It hydrates the outer layer of the skin. Sabi ko nga, it hydrates. It improves the skin barrier function and skin mechanical properties, provide protection against skin irritants, and accelerate wound healing processes. Din yung ating glycerin. May anti-aging effect by reducing the appearance of fine lines and even out skin tone and texture. It can also be found also in our Supreme Glow Collagen Pro Youth Series cream and also in our Collagen Pro Youth Series toner and serum, yung ating glycerin. For our titanium dyes, ito po yung ating sunscreen, yung component ng ating sunscreen ng ating titanium dioxide. So, pag sinabi mong SPF would mean sun protection factor. So, sabi nga nila, it will take daw 10 seconds daw for the sun to burn your skin. So, dito pag sinabi ng SPF 50, ibig sabihin nun, it will take 500 seconds bago ma-burn yung skin mo by using this product. So, ibig sabihin nun, dahil SPF 50, no? So, dinivide na 500 divided by 10, so 50 po yun. So, yun po yung ibig sabihin ng sun protection factor. So, you have 500 seconds itong ating titanium and yung ating sunscreen to protect your skin. So it's important also to reapply always your sunscreen. No? So hindi lang po pwede na sunscreen naman ako pero once a day lang. So kung 500 seconds, ilang minutes yan, ilang hours yan. So compute, do the math na lang, okay? So kailangan mag-reapply talaga tayo ng sunscreen every now and then. So ito naman ating sunscreen can be found in our Supreme Radiance Daily Protective Day Cream, It has, kasi may SPF 50 siya. So ano yung effect ng titanium dioxide? It's a UV filtering ingredient in sunscreen. So ito yung UV filtering. It helps protect a person's skin by blocking the absorption of the sun's ultraviolet light that cause sunburn and also linked to cancer. So sabi ko nga, overexposure to sun can cause sunburn that will lead also to skin cancer eventually. Helps soaks up oil. So again, so ang dami nating ingredient na nagpe-prevent ng either absorbs oil or it prevents oil production. So talagang hindi tayo magiging parang mamantikain yung ating mukha. Meron din siyang sa lending it an opacity. So pag makita mo hindi siya so siya yung nagbibigay ng kulay din sa ating puti na kulay sa ating cream yung ating titanium dioxide. Its opaque quality also is crucial to formulations that conceals blemishes. So kung meron ka mga blemishes, nakaka-conceal din itong ating titanium dioxide sa puti siya, It's prized for its long-lasting and waterproof property, which is important for sun care products. So ito yung nagbibigay din na kung bakit longer-lasting yung ating sunscreen series na yung ating Supreme Radiance Daily Protection Day Cream, yung ating SPF. Kaya SPF 50 po siya. Okay? So waterproof din siya. Pwede sabihin na pag-ahon mo, for example, if you're using it or for a few minutes, kasi 500 seconds. So remember to always reapply your sunscreen. Okay? So, ang benefits ng ating. It can also be found in our Supreme Glow Collagen Anti-Aging Series, Product Series. Ito yung mga testimonies po of those using po dati-dati ng ating Supreme White Soap po. Ngayon, part na po siya yung ating Supreme White, part na po sa ating Supreme Radiance na skincare line. Okay? So, ito yung mga testimonials. Wala pa po tayo for our new skincare lines. And soon, meron na. Okay? So, let's introducing our Supreme Glow Collagen Pro Youth Series naman. Okay? So, ito naman is composed. We do have also the Supreme Glow Collagen Soap. And then we have the serum, and then we have the toner and the cream. Ayan. So active ingredients naman natin is collagen, glutathione, mandelic acid, ito yung ating AHA, glycolic acid, kojic acid, oatmeal, capric triglyceride, niacinamide, aloe vera, kaolin clay, and glycerine, as well as titanium dioxide, and capric triglyceride. So, yung ating the AHA or alpha hydroxylic acid, ito yung nagkakos ng peeling ng skin. Ito yung ating ginagamit naman sa ating series. Ito yung mandelic acid, glycolic acid, and kojic acid. So, AHA are good for skin. So, AHA stands for alpha hydroxy acids. These are good for the skin. They work to loosen connection. So, para mas mabilis po matanggal yung mga dead skin cell at hindi po siya mag-impacted, no? Ibig sabihin impacted, hindi siya magtitigas, no? Hindi magtitigas yung mga dead skin cell mo sa balat mo, sa surface ng skin mo. And to allow the cells to shed naturally, leading to a fresher, brighter complexion. So instead na magtitigas siya, paglulusin siya, so madali siyang matanggal yung dead skin cell. Ito yung effect ng ating alpha hydroxylic acid. And we do have the mildest of hydroxylic acid, yung ating mandelic, glycolic acid, and kojic acid. Okay? Now for our collagen naman, ano ba tong collagen? Which can be found along our, sa ating brightening series, marami doon nag-help produce collagen. Ito naman yung ating Pro Youth series naman na Supreme Glow Collagen. It has the content talaga of collagen. Hindi lang siya nag-enhance production, pero talaga siyang collagen na content sa ating skincare line, no? So ano namang benefits ng collagen? Ang collagen naman, it serves as one of the main building blocks for our bone, skin, hair, muscles, tendons, and ligaments. So hindi lang siya sa hair, no? Hindi lang siya sa skin, no? It also is it's a building block for our muscles, our tendons, and ligaments, and even for our other organs like yung ating arteries, no? So a protein that can be found in bone, muscles, tendon, arteries, and skin responsible for the structure and elasticity of the organs or tissues. So kung bakit parang lastiko, no? So pag binabanat mo, bumabalik siya. Yun, pag marami kang collagen. Ibig sabihin nun, pag wala ng collagen, so parang lastiko doon, no? Overstretch yung lastiko, hindi na babalik, kaya nagkumukulubot. Yan. So importante talaga ang collagen. And collagen is produced naturally in the body, but as you age, humihina po yung production ng ating collagen. So, kailangan talaga i-replace or papalitan mo. So, importante na gumamit ka ng produkto na tulad ng ating Supreme Glow Collagen para ma-replace po yung yung lesser production, ma-supplement yung ating collagen production sa ating skin. It moisturizes skin. It keeps the skin firm and elastic. Sabi ko parang elastiko. And prevents wrinkles. Yan po ang role ng ating collagen. Ang oatmeal naman can be found in our Supreme Collagen Anti-Aging Soap naman. So ano man ang benefit ng ating oatmeal? It contains saponin. Ito na parang natural detergent. So ito yung nagtutulong para for exfoliation and removing of our dead skin cells, no? To reveal a youthful, fresh, glowing, and youthful skin. It prevents wrinkles, no? So nagpo-prevent siya ng wrinkles kasi nawawala ngayon dead skin cells. So hindi ka na yung parang yung skin mo parang yung tawag nito, parang lifeless yun. So magaganda to. So siya yung natural na exfoliation. So exfoliation natatanggal, no? Acne control ba sa anti-inflammatory, antibacterial activity. So and absorbs skin oil. Ayan, moisturizes the skin, good for dry skin, psoriasis, and eczema. Correct the skin pH. So pH, no, yung acidity of the skin, no? So para hindi po maging dry and itchy ng ating skin. Kasi pag dry yung skin natin, talagang makakati po. Okay? Contains avenastamides, an antioxidant, and an anti-inflammatory compound. Okay. And it lightens the skin also. So ito naman may lightening effect din yung ating oatmeal. It protects the skin from sun absorption, absorbs UV, yung sun, so para sunscreen din siya kasi it absorbs UVA kasi may dalawang kasing UV light, no, coming from the sun, UVA and UVB. So ito naman it absorbs the ultraviolet A light. Okay. So yan po, yung ating Supreme Glow Collagen Pro Youth Series. Okay. Next would be our mandelic acid, yung ating AHA, and yung alpha hydroxy acid, which can be found in our collagen cream, anti-aging cream, no? So mandelic, sabi kong alpha hydroxy acid taken from almonds naman. Sa benefit, it exfoliates. It's a chemical exfoliant. So kasi sabi ko nga sa inyo, tinatanggal niya yung dikit-dikit, no, na skin para mas madaling ma-remove yung dead skin cell. It promotes cell turnover, mas mabilis, diba? Probably less than 27 days. By dissolving the skin cell, it works to increase cell turnover. It reduces the look of skin age, damage, or acne. Brighten skin, exfoliated skin is bright skin, strengthening the skin to stay bright with the continued use. No? Clear pores, kasi nga wala na yung nagka-clog. It penetrates deeper than the other acid, no? So talagang para maging blemish-free skin ka, para lalo na sa mga prone, no? Lalo na yung nagpo-produce ng maraming oil. So nagpe-penetrate siya sa skin pores, no? Reduces hyperpigmentation and reduces the dark spots, dark marks of sun and sun damage. Okay. Glycolic acid, isa din sa AHA natin. Can be found also, it exfoliates, reduces fine lines, minimizes appearance of pores, fights acne, removes dead skin cell, and even out skin tone. This can be found in our collagen Pro Glow, Supreme Glow Collagen Pro Toner naman niya. And ang kasama din sa toner natin yung kojic acid, na isa din AHA. Okay? And of course, for our emollient naman, we have the capric triglyceride. Ito yung nagpapa-moisturize ng skin, yung ating capric triglyceride, which can be found in our, in our cream, no? So ang effect naman niya is, okay, ang effect naman ng ating capric triglyceride naman, so it's an emollient, ibig sabihin it softens the skin, no? Protective layer of the skin lacking moisture. So nagmo-moisturizer, basically moisturizer yung effect ng ating caprylic triglyceride. It softens the skin, no? It antioxidant din siya. So tabi ka kanina, para to protect from the sun, yan din ang effect ng antioxidant. So antibacterial activity din siya. And next would be our, ayan. So ito yun na po yung mga ingredients, active ingredients ng ating dalawang skincare line, our Supreme Radiance and Supreme Glow Collagen Pro Youth Series. So ang fragrance naman ito, napapansin nyo dito, mabango talaga itong ating skincare line kasi ang fragrance oil naman na ginagamit is coming from honeydew melon or cucumis melo extract and green tea or Camellia sinensis extract, and also from vanilla pompona extract and sweet tea. These are the fragrance oil used for our skincare line. Ito naman po yung gumagamit sa dati ng ating Supreme Youthful, yung Youthful Glow naman natin na soap naman. Ito na yung mga example na clear out po talaga yung kanilang pimples. Ayan. So naging finer yung yung pores nila, lumiit. And yung mga nanay din ay bumabanat yung mga skin, and as well as for those naman na may acne, natatanggal po yung mga acne sa skin nila. Okay? And ito naman for our health series naman, we have our Supreme Fit Alkaline Coffee. So before we discuss, may konting trivia lang po. So coffee was introduced in the Philippines by the Franciscan friars po in 1749. It is the most consumed beverage after water. So second to water siya. So kung hindi ka uminom ng kape, hindi ka uminom ng tubig, ang sumunod na iniinom naman ay kape. And most purchased items next to spices and seasoning, and mapapansin natin may ongoing coffee craze kasi kahit saan ka pumunta, merong mga coffee shop na susulputan. And of course, pag meron kang meetings na nasabi, let's have coffee. Pag meron pinag-uusapan, coffee ang beverage na siniserve, or even after meals, coffee talaga ang iniinom. Okay? So ano bang benefit ng kape? Ayan. So introducing our Supreme Fit Coffee, no? It's an alkaline coffee kasi meron siyang component, no? So, how can this help, no? Sabi nga nila, ang common problem no ngayon sa health ng mga tao is obesity, no? And obesity because of wrong food intake, no? So, kaya ang obesity can lead to a lot of diseases, no? It can lead to heart disease, hypertension, type 2 diabetes, which is common, no? Lalo na sa mga obese, no? Ibig sabi ng obesity, sobrang taba mo na talaga beyond dun sa chubby lang, sobrang taba talaga. So there are naman criteria on how you can be classified as obese ka na, no? Sobrang taba. Hyperlipidemia, tumataas yung cholesterol sa katawan. Ayan, it can also lead to obstructive sleep apnea kasi kumakapal yung lalamunan mo, yung throat area mo. Kaya pag minsan nagkakakos talaga sleep apnea, apnea would mean hindi ka na humihinga. So minsan yung husband ko dati yung mataba siya, binabantayan ko kasi minsan napapansin ko, habang naghihilik, minsan hindi na talaga huminga. Minsan gigisingin mo talaga para huminga ulit. So this is the problem of those na mataba. Kakaroon sila ng sleep apnea. And osteoarthritis kasi dahil mabigat ka, nagkakos ka ng weight, no, sa iyong knee. So meron tayong kakilala na hindi lang sa knee, pati na rin sa joint, sa foot niya, nagkakaroon siya ng gout. And of course, nagkaroon din siya ng osteoarthritis. Kahit bata pa po siya dahil po sa kanyang bigat ng katawan sa timbang, nagka-cause ng mga other diseases kahit bata po. Kahit early 20s or early 30s pala, kakaroon ng mga osteoarthritis, no, because of weight. And second din na problem din, especially with the wrong food intake po, ang common din na concern ng mga tao is constipation. Kasi ang hirap talaga, no, constipated, daming constipated din, no, sa ating mga sa mga lalo na those living in in the city, no, ito yung common problems talaga is constipation because of the food that we eat, no. Okay, wait lang, ko lang kasi ng battery. Okay, ayan. Okay, converted. Ayan. So ito naman kaganda ng ating kape kasi our coffee will help you address all these problems naman, but it will not cure. We're not saying that it can cure obesity, it can cure constipation, but it will help you with these problems naman. And how will it do that, no? Kasi ang ating kape po is sabi nga nila, our coffee, by drinking Supremacy coffee, you can be slim and healthy. It can help you with your weight loss and for your health gain also, no. So sabi nga nila, from SOS or help me, no, from being fat to being obese to weight control naman yung ating makakatulong po yung ating Supremacy coffee. So because of the contents of our coffee. So our coffee has actually 8 ingredients, no, including our creamer. So let's discuss the 7 important ingredients of the coffee. Number 1 is syempre coffee. Coffee has many benefits, no. Number 1, it contains caffeine, no. Isa naman ang caffeine is a central nervous system stimulant. That's why it helps you focus, ayan, awake, no, gising na gising ka and awake, focus and alert. Ayan, improves memory and prevents Alzheimer and dementia. Ito naman yung sakit na makalimutin ka na as you grow old, no? So, nag-i-improve po yung kape. Improves also mood and prevents depression. Siyempre, para hindi ka malungkot, no? Improves physical performance kasi nag-increase po siya ng ating metabolism, no? Aids in weight loss by signals the body to break fat down, no? Increase metabolic rate, sabi ko, na-increase ang metabolism. So, pag napapansin mo, talagang mas active ka after drinking coffee, increased calorie burn and increases body heat. May component kasi siya na ECCG na talaga nag-help sa metabolic rate, no? Lowers risk of type 2 diabetes kasi ito talagang obesity can lead to type 2 diabetes, stroke, and Parkinson's disease. So ito yung dahil nag-lower ka na ng weight mo, coffee can help you with your weight loss, kaya na-lower din ang risk mo sa type 2 diabetes, no, and stroke and Parkinson's disease, liver cirrhosis, liver cancer, and colorectal cancer. So dami siyang prevent by just by drinking our coffee, no. It aids also in constipation by stimulating the bowel movement. No, kasi central nervous stimulant siya, so yung ating bowel, no, para hindi gumagalaw kasi kailangan gumagaling bitukan natin para magpupo tayo, okay? And other component of our coffee is our alkaline powder. This is one the additional benefit of our coffee kasi hindi siya acidic. It makes our coffee less acidic, no? So when you drink it, hindi ka magangasim, no? So what benefit does our alkaline powder do? It neutralizes acid in the body and helps in keeping our body hydrated, colon cleansing property, and aids in weight loss. It's also in constipation. So ito yung sinasabi namin na pag uminom ka ng kape, bawas talaga ang stomach-friendly yung ating coffee because of our alkaline powder. Okay? And next component is our mangosteen. No? Component is mangosteen. Ano ang benefit ng mangosteen? Mangosteen is rich in the antioxidant xanthone. Yung xanthone po which can be found in the yung pulp, no, yung hindi po yung hull ng ating mangosteen, yung balat ng mangosteen, hindi po yung buto. So kaya mapula po itong xanthone. So pag nakita yung mangosteen, di ba mapula siya dahil sa balat niya. Ito po yung ginagamit natin sa ating kape. Hindi po yung buto. Okay? So ito po yung rich in antioxidant na xanthone that can aid also in weight loss. Ayan. It promotes fat metabolism. It may have anti-cancer effect, which have with marami pong study with regards to anti-cancer effect ng ating mangosteen. May anti-inflammatory effect din siya. Protects skin from harmful sun radiation. Protects the brain. And rich in vitamins and support the immune system. Rich in fiber din siya. So pag mapansin mo yung ating kape, may mga latak yan. Ito po yung ating mga mangosteen extract as well as other component din, rich in fiber. Which helps also in constipation and promotes regular bowel movements. And helps lower and maintain blood sugar level yung ating mangosteen din, and heart protection. Helps decrease cholesterol levels. Diba sabi ko kanina, if you're fat, magkakaroon ka ng hyperlipidemia. So mangosteen also helps with the cholesterol level, no, in our body. Next naman is our moringa or ating malunggay, no? So ang malunggay talaga has many benefits. Ang malunggay, sabi niya, it can treat 300 diseases, no? Helps treat, pero hindi namin sinasabi. We don't say treat, no? It may help in treating other diseases, no? 300 diseases. It's rich in antioxidant, highly nutritious kasi it's rich in vitamin A and iron and other minerals like calcium. And it's also rich in vitamin C and zinc, diba? It's good for our immune system, yung vitamin C and zinc. So it promotes or support our immune system, especially in preventing infection. So lalo na sa panahon ngayon ng COVID, it's better while you're drinking your coffee, you're enjoying your coffee, you're also protected by our coffee also from other infection. It supports our immune system, no? So it's rich in fiber and aids in constipation, liver protection din kasi it detoxify the livers and reduce liver damage. May anti-ulcer activity din siya aside from nagko-complement siya din sa ating alkaline powder kasi hindi talaga ikaw mangangasim kasi may anti-ulcer activity din ating malunggay. It improves digestion. Minimize niya yung gastric secretion, no? At promotes healing and increased gastric emptying time. So para hindi po magstay madalas yung bulk ng food mo, malilipat na po kaagad siya sa small intestine para ma-further digest yung iyong pagkain. An anti-inflammatory activity din siya, reduces inflammation, prevents chronic diseases like diabetes, obesity, and arthritis. Okay? And kidney protection kasi it lowers creatinine level. Creatinine level is the parameter kasi para ma-measure natin kung if your kidney is doing properly, no? Kung pag mataas ang creatinine level, ibig sabihin no, yung liver natin hindi na po siya nag-action normally. Okay? Prevents migraine, Alzheimer's disease, depression, anxiety. So talaga imagine mo with our coffee content, no, may coffee na siya, ang malunggay din, it helps also in prevention of depression. So masaya ka talaga pag uminom ng ating kape. Next would be tongkat ali, no? Tongkat ali is usually related, no? Is correlated kaagad pag inisip mo tongkat ali, ibig sabihin ng sexual prowess, no? Lalo na sa mga kalalakihan. Pero may other benefits din siya. Pero of course, it increases testosterone production. Kaya po, nagkakaroon po ng enhanced male fertility and increases libido. At dahil dito, nagkakaroon ng fuller and stronger erection. Kaya talagang related talaga, nakakorelate talaga siya sa male fertility or male yung libido, no, yung libog. But it also increases the male libido, but also for female libido. May relieve stress and anxiety, And reduces the stress hormone cortisol, improves mood din. So talagang masaya ka talaga pag uminom ka ng ating Supreme Fit Coffee, improves body composition, it boosts athletic performance and enhance endurance. So ibig talagang mas lalo ka pang tumatagal, sabi nga nila. So pag nag-exercise ka, dapat talaga bago mag-exercise, always drink our coffee also. Increase muscle mass and muscle strength. Kaya pag uminom ko minsan, pagka magkakaroon ka na ng muscle. So, dapat gamitin yung muscle mo para maging defined, no? So, kailangan mag-weights ka talaga. At it also helps in weight loss by increasing metabolism. Ayan. And next ingredient would be our, ito naman to sikat din to, yung Garcinia Cambogia. When it comes to weight loss kasi, Garcinia Cambogia is always number 1 in the list, no? Kasi bakit? It contains hydroxytic acid, no? Which increases the level of serotonin in the body. Ito naman serotonin is the happy hormone. The happy hormone, sabi pag happy ka, hindi ka na ma-decrease po yung, ma-suppress po yung appetite at improves mood, no, leading to weight loss. Kasi hindi ka na, pag, di ba, pag depressed ka or kain ka ng kain. So ito yung role ng ating Garcinia Cambogia, it increases serotonin level para hindi ka na na kumain ng kumain. It slows down or black fat production, which lowers blood level of bad cholesterol, which is LDL or low density lipoprotein and triglyceride. Ito yung masamang or mga cholesterol sa katawan mo, no? And also, but increases the good cholesterol, which is HDL or high density lipoprotein, the blood that protects the heart and induce weight loss. And of course, prevents diabetes by lowering the blood level of insulin and leptin. Ito yung mga hormones related to insulin production or related to diabetes din and decreased blood sugar level. Prevents stomach ulcer. Ayan, so ito talaga ating mga ingredients, no? It's stomach friendly talaga. And the last but not the least ingredient is stevia. Stevia naman is a natural sweetener, no? Low calories, kaya it aids in weight loss, lowers blood pressure, and prevents their diabetes by improving the function of insulin, which is the hormone related to diabetes naman. And lowers blood sugar and reduces the risk of pancreas because insulin is produced in the pancreas. Okay, so ito yung lapay sa Tagalog. Improves oral health and prevents bacterial overgrowth. Prevents gingivitis and cavities. Ito naman gingivitis yung gilagid mo. Para, alam mo ba, pagkadalasan iba pag papanood mo yun at nalagas yung mga ipin because of gingivitis. Pwede mag-loosen kasi yung mga teeth mo kahit okay pa, hindi pa nabubulok yung kahit walang cavities. Pag nagkakaroon ng gingivitis, it will also lead to teeth loss doon. Kaya pwedeng mahulog na yung ipin mo na hindi mo na malayan, no? Kasi dahil may gingivitis or namamaga yung gilagid mo. Okay? Para magkaroon ka ng sira sa ipin naman. Okay? And of course, these are testimonials naman and cards when it comes to our coffee naman. Dito naman is more, the Lagidus is promoted as one of the slimming coffee, no? And one of the best example naman sa ating slimming coffee testimonial naman talaga is our Vice President Vice President natin si Ms. Natsumi Hiratsuka, Vice President of Operations, ayan. Siya naman po nag-lose siya ng 9 pounds but just by drinking the coffee. Sabi nga niya, nag-exercise siya for 2 straight weeks napagod siya kasi hindi naman daw siya pumayat, nag-lose lang siya ng 2 kilograms. Samantala, nag-inom lang siya ng kape, ayan, nag-lose siya ng 9 pounds. Okay, 9 kilograms pala, not 18 pounds. Ayan, from 60 kilograms to 51 kilograms. So, amazing, no? 9 kilograms total. Ayan, that's the end of our presentation. Any question for now? Kasi before we continue with our benefits and privileges. Ayan. So again, anong oras na ba? Time check. Ha? 8:26? 9:27 pa. So okay pa? Any questions so far before we continue? Oh, you can share, you can ask questions na for now. Wala si, ayan. May question ba? Klaro ba? Okay, so stop muna natin ang recording.